National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marshall County, Western Menard County, Northwestern Woodford County, Fulton County, Stark County, Eastern Knox County, Western Tazewell County, Cass County, Southeastern Schuyler County, Mason County, Peoria County, until 9 p.m. At 7:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Elmore to near Beardstown, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Kenton, Beardstown, Lewistown, Wyoming, Farmington, Elmwood, Bluff Springs, Brimfield, Yates City, and St. David around 8 p.m. Princeville, Trevoli, and Bath around 8:05 p.m. Havana around 8:10 p.m. Virginia, Dunlap, Hannah City, Chandlerville, Camp Grove, and Edelstein around 8:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Peoria, Glassford, Kilbourne, Chillicothe, Manitou, Sparlin, Pekin, Lakin, Creve Coeur, Marquette Heights, Henry, and Easton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 474 between mile markers 0 and 14. Interstate 74 between mile markers 59 and 98.